was the
say
wait,
now.
did you do it? Didn't really work.
Okay, folks, let's get back to task here. So you have had some time to work on your problem. You were to determine if the two lines are perpendicular, given just the equations of the lines. So what is something you know about this problem?
Well, perpendicular lines intersect.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's right. And the product of the two slopes is equal to -1.
Mhm.
Hold up. What equals -1?
So Stephanie said the product of the two slopes is equal to -1. How do you find a product?
Well, apparently I missed that day because I don't know what a product is.
Can anybody help out?
Yeah, I think I can help out.
Mhm.
It's an answer to a multiplication problem. So, Sierra, it's saying that like you multiply the two slopes from line 1 and line 2 together, you'll get a -1. That's how you know they're perpendicular.
Right. So I gave you two equations for lines. You would determine if they are perpendicular. So what are the questions you could ask yourself to begin?
Apparently I need to ask myself what a product is. Well, you gave us the equations in the nice slope intercept form. So we just had to multiply the slopes.
Oh, good grief. I don't even know what slope intercept form is. I'm just over here drawing lines.
All right. Well, listen, that is why we are having this discussion so we can all get on the same page. Your classmates have strategies, so let's hear what they have to say. Jordan,
Okay.
what can you tell us about slope intercept form?
Well, slope intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, x is the independent variable, and b is the y-intercept. So in the examples that you gave us, we had, let's see, y equals 3x plus 2, and y equals -1/3 x plus 8. So the slope of the first line is 3, and the slope of the second line is -1/3.
And the B is the y-intercept.
Mm-hmm.
So that would be the coordinates of 0, 2, and 0, 8.
Right. So remember, the y-intercept is where the line intersects the y-axis.
Okay, yes, I remember that. So you're telling me that all I have to do is look at the m in the equations and multiply them?
Well, for this problem, yes. But what about when the lines are horizontal and vertical?
Well, those lines definitely intersect.
They do, you are right. But does our formula work? Let's test it out. I have two problems on your tablet. I want you to work in groups to see if you can solve it using what you know already. What questions do you want to ask before you begin?
Are these vertical and horizontal lines?
I have that same question because I don't know what to do with an undefined slope.
Yes, one of the problems does have horizontal and vertical lines. And yes, you will be dealing with an undefined slope. So let's get started and I'll walk around to help you as you need it.
Okay, this is hard, but I'm trying.
You can do it.